God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. Hey, look at you and me. You and me. We both look so differently. But God loves us just the same. Oh yeah, it's true. He knows our name. And God made us for a purpose. Because to Him we are important. We are part of God's design. Oh yeah, and that makes me wanna shine, 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 shine. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. 1, 2, 3, and 4. God made us wonderful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now God makes no mistakes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. God made us wonderful. That makes me wanna shine, 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 shine. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. God made us wonderful. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. God made us wonderful. 1, 2, 3, and 4. God made us wonderful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now God makes no mistakes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. God made us wonderful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now God makes no mistakes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. God made us wonderful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now God makes no mistakes. 1, 2, 3.
Who? You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hi friends, I'm Zoe, and welcome back to the Clubhouse Cooking Show. My friends and I are having so much fun being kid chefs and making all kinds of recipes. And this one is the most important one. Everyone in my family knows how to make this recipe. My mom knows how to make this recipe. My grandma knows how to make this recipe. And my great-grandma knows how to make this recipe. This recipe is so important and so special to my family, and I want to know how to make it too. Do you want to know what it is? Drum roll, please. Banana pudding! First, I'm gonna put the cookies in the cup. Then, I'll scoop in the bananas. Then, I'll scoop in the pudding. It's time for my favorite part, to put whipped cream on the top.
Ho!
It's Ollie.
Hello, Zoe. Ho! Making an important recipe, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I sure am. I'm making my family's recipe for banana pudding. It's super important to my family.
Family recipes are special. It's true. I know someone who thinks you are important too. Listen up. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hey, friends. I'm Justin the Mailman. Look at this postcard telling people about a new haircut place. I just love getting my hair cut, don't you? Speaking of the hairs on our head, that reminds me of an important story in the Bible. Do you want to hear it? Let me put our story mail in the mailbox. Today's true story from the Bible begins with someone very important. It's you. Do you know who thinks you are important? God. God thinks you are important. God loves you so much, and God knows everything about you. Let's play a game to learn more. It's called God Knows. If the answer is yes, God knows, wave your hands high in the sky like this. Let's try it. Does God know when you are happy? Yes, God knows when you're happy. Does God know when you are sad? Yes, God knows when you are sad. Does God know when you sit down? Yes! Does God know when you stand up? Yes! God knows when you sit down or stand up. Does God know the words you're going to say to a friend? Yes! God even knows what you're going to say to your friend before you say it. Hey, did you notice all of the answers were, yes, God knows? Wow, God is amazing, and God knows everything about me. God even knows how many hairs are on our heads. Whoa, that's pretty amazing. Let's see if we can count all of the hairs on this head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew, I don't think I can count them all. There are so many hairs. I can't count all of the hairs on my head, but God can. God knows exactly how many hairs are on our heads. God knows everything about you and me because we are important to God. Wow, God made you wonderful, and God made me wonderful. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made you, so you are special and important too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, I'm important to God. That is so special. I think I've got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I know how to make banana pudding, but God knows how many hairs are on my head, and that is so special. I'll see you next time. Bye.
How you made me is amazing and wonderful. Psalm 139:14. How you made me is amazing and wonderful. Psalm 139:14.